Alright, we got a Snapper 82 volt electric lawnmower here. Having problems. This is the Snapper XD. This is like the third one we've had, or the second one, maybe the third. The same thing happened to our last one, where we're mowing, shuts off, replace the battery, and then won't turn on. It gives us a beep. No matter what the battery we use, which doesn't make any sense. So I'm going to go through it and show you the different ways to diagnose it. So our battery's full, fully in there, you know, it's in there all the way. That's closed, handles are locked in place. We'll go over that in a second. Press the button, pull the lever. Hear that? Okay, I'm just holding the lever. Double beep. No idea. Looked at different ways to diagnose it. It says, oh, it's the sensor. I don't even think these actually have one, but just in case, they say, oh, there's a sensor. I don't see anywhere there even be a sensor, but they say, oh, it's sensing that it's not in the right position. So I'll put it in the storage position here. There, now in the storage position, fold it up. You just flip these over, turn them sideways, and I'll whip it back up. Operator position, turn these back. Turn this one back. I don't know where the sensor is, maybe up here. I'm not sure. Okay, try it now. Hold the button down, pull the lever back. Can't do this while the phone below. Same thing. Okay. So maybe something's clogged, right? That's another way to diagnose it. Maybe something's clogged. This is spinning freely. Nothing's clogged back there. That's the bag back there. Everything's open and free and clear and all good. Okay, another way to check. Well, we gotta take out the battery. So let's take out the battery. I don't know why I'm not wearing. I have a mount even that I use. So this one's fresh on the battery. Full battery, looks good. No bad lights or anything. No overheating or warnings. So take it off the charger. Try this guy. Alright, we'll give it this one. Make sure that's all clean in there. It's weird, it shuts off and then you try the new battery and it's definitely not the battery. That's closed. Shh, quiet. Okay, let's try this again. Hold the button, pull back, double beep. Double beep. And it starts doing this when we're mowing. Doesn't make any sense. And I've tried to figure out, oh, maybe it's because the switch is broken. But if the switch was broken, potentially, well, you would have a double beep when I just pulled back on this. But you don't. Double beep only happens when I'm trying to operate it correctly. I haven't tried this yet. Maybe I'll just try and raise it up. Maybe that'll do it. Double beep. What do you guys know? What do you guys think? Do you have any ideas? No idea on this thing. Fortunately, I don't think I can even get it serviced. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys have a solution. Thank you.